Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, for a change, I'm going to be showing you my Deadpool bobblehead and Funko collection that I've acquired and curated over the past few years. And these bobbleheads are my personal favorites, and I thought they sure deserve a bit of spotlight in an episode as well. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we begin, I just want to let you know that this is my collection of Deadpool bobblehead and Funko Pops that I've collected over the past few years. And I thought I could share this with you in a video, so here we are. And in case you are new to this channel, I would also like to let you know that I've done exclusive unbox and review videos on these figurines. And in case you're interested, I'll leave the playlist link in the description, so go check it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at these amazing Deadpool bobblehead and Funko Pop figurines, and please do let me know which one of these are your favorite in the comments below. Well, although I'm a diecast motorcycle collector and hobbyist, I should admit that Deadpool is one of my favorite Marvel characters, and I'm glad I have these bobblehead vinyl figures that I love and collected over the past few years, which make a little collection on their own. And these are a definite must-have for any bobblehead collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Deadpool enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the playlist for these Deadpool bobblehead and Funko Pops in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place these amazing Deadpool bobbleheads and Funko Pops on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on bobbleheads coming up. A bobblehead, also known by common silly nicknames such as Nodder, Wobbler or Wacky Wobbler, is a type of small collectible doll. Its head is often oversized compared to its body. Instead of a solid connection, its head is connected to the body by a spring or hook in such a way that the light tap will cause the head to move around or bobble, hence the name. During the 17th century, figurines of Buddha and other religious figures called temple nodders were produced in Asia. The earliest known Western reference to a bobblehead is thought to be Nicolia Gogol's 1842 short story The Overcoat, in which the main character's neck was described as being like the neck of plaster cats which wagged their heads. During the 19th century, bisque porcelain bobbleheads were being made in limited quantities for the US market. Many of the bobbleheads in the US were produced in Germany, with an increase in imports during the 1920s and 30s. By the 1950s, bobbleheads has a substantial surge in popularity, with items made of either plastic or bisque porcelain. The variety of bobbleheads has grown to include even relatively obscure popular cultural figures and notable people. The new millennium brought a new type of bobblehead toy, the mini bobblehead, which is 2 or 3 inches tall and used for free gifts in some packaged foods. Post Cereal's package 22 million mini bobbleheads of MLB players with its cereal before opening day in 2002. And for further information on bobbleheads, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones these Deadpool figurines, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these Deadpool bobbleheads and figurines are your favorite. And kindly continue to support D-Nation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment, and share would be much appreciated. And kindly continue to support D-Nation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also, do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.